Hello everyone, welcome to another video where we're going to set up a self-hosted service called Rally. So let's go to the website and see what is it about. Rally is nothing but a scheduling software application. So what it does is you can create events, you can add participants so they can opt in whether they will be able to attend or not. You can add comments to it. You can create poll. So it has some handy features. So head over to the GitHub repository that describes how to run a self-hosted version of this application. Now I have logged into my Linux VM. First step would be to clone the repository, which I have. I set it into highly self-hosted. You can see the Docker compose file, config.env file, which has all the configurations. Let's head over to the Docker compose and see what is the content of it. So it needs a database, that is Postgres one. So it creates a service of RallyDB, and our Rally application is dependent on that. Again, uh, the service takes in the database URL environment variable, runs on port 3000 and exposes 2000. Then picks all the configuration from this file config.env. We go to config.env. It has secret password which is required. Next, public base URL. So you can add your subdomain, custom domain over here. Then support email. For this tutorial, I'll be using AWS SES. So I have all the configuration handy. So I will be populating this. Host port, whether it's secure or not, user password and T is enabled or not. Then there is a flag auth required. So if auth required is false, then this will be public and anyone can create a poll. If this is false, then it will require the user to authenticate themselves with the service before creating a poll. And if you want to restrict the users, like limit the users, then you can create a pass in a string value which will be containing the format of email. Let's say you want to allow one user, so you can just add john@example.com. If you want to allow users of one domain, start or something. If you want to allow multiple domains, you can add a string of start.example.com, comma start.xyz.com. Disable landing page. So like it says, if you pass it through, then the user will be directly redirected to the application instead of landing page. Again, if you want to use an external database, you can pass the database URL here, and you don't have to pass the environment from the Docker Compose. So this is the you need to comment this, populate it. Here I have updated all the variables in the config.env. I will not be using this Docker compose.yaml. I'll be constructing a Docker run command as the config.env as env file to that run command. And I have installed caddy to work as reverse proxy. Here you can see we have options to use Apache 2 Nginx traffic as reverse proxy. So yeah, for this tutorial, we'll be using as caddy with auto deploys the certificates and all. So yeah. So in this VM, I have installed caddy. I have installed Docker. So what I need is I just need a Docker run script, Docker run command. environment variable, this file, restart, name as Rallly, this is the base name, port 3000 to 3000. Okay, sorry. Inside this, and then Docker PS, I'll have my application running. Let's head over to caddy folder to configure the reverse proxy. So I have a caddy config file. Just need to add one domain. For now, I'm adding this under a subdomain of my main domain, reverse proxy, and it will redirect all the traffic to localhost 3000. So I need to restart caddy process system ctl. Building because the port 80 is already being used by something. available. But it's working now. Quit. Okay. So should source. Right. It's not required. Create new. Now I think anyone can create this one. Right. What is this? Using guest session. This allows us to customize you. You come back after. So you can edit your votes. Monthly meetup. Description. Continue. So I have to write something. Meetup. Floor. 127. Text. Message. And you can continue. Data. New data time zone. Okay. With view. Say August 16. Oh, I can select multiple dates. Specific time. Do you have a time option? And multiple time option. For now, let's have one option. Your details. Text. Poll is there. Set your link. Okay. Copy this link. Meetup. Test message location. Possible answers is no. Select your availability and click continue. This is the time zone. Okay. You continue. You leave a comment. This is not required, so I'll close this one. Close all. Now, if I open a computer session, it's 2001. Yes, I will join. So I'll continue. Participant overview. Let's say James Bond. So now, okay, so James Bond has selected yes. This is my option. Select yes. Continue. Press this. Still have one option. Manage, edit the options, export to CSV, log pool, delete pool. This is notification, sharing. Then I can leave a comment. James. It automatically reflected. We don't have to do any refresh. Say 2. James. Nice. Let's say I want to log in. Just new account. This is email address. Let's see. There is no issues, and I got an email. This this is 2872. Continue. If I go to my profile, there's nothing else. Just name, email, poll. I can create a poll, which was created as a guest. Now I can create under my profile. If I click on preference, I have week starts on Monday. Time format. 2 months. Home. That's it. Create new. Click on support. It will take you to Rally. It's new poll. That's it. Nice. Thank you for watching.